Hi, guys. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your crypto application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to download your crypto application on your Android device. Firstly, open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in crypto and make a search. Tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. But, if the application isn't available on Google Play in your region, open your APK or application. In the search box, type in crypto and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After the downloading process is completed, tap on the install button to start the installation process. After the installation process is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you will be able to download your crypto app on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.